Welcome to the ultimate breakdown of jungle combat techniques that even Bruce Lee never taught. The wild, unpredictable terrain of the jungle demands a whole new level of adaptability, awareness, and survival instincts. In this video, we'll explore secret combat techniques that warriors and survivalists use when fighting in dense, unforgiving environments. Whether it's ambush tactics, guerrilla warfare, or using nature's weapon, these techniques will prepare you for anything. Let's dive in. The reality of jungle combat. The jungle is not like a ring or a dojo. There are no rules, no referees, and no second chances. The dense vegetation limits visibility. The humid air drains stamina, and the terrain is both an ally and an enemy. You must adapt to the surroundings and use them to your advantage. One of the first principles of jungle combat is stealth and evasion. You don't win by overpowering your opponent. You win by striking from the shadows and disappearing before they can react. Unlike traditional combat, where fights are direct, jungle fighters must master deception. Silent movement. Walk with the outer edges of your feet first, avoiding dry leaves and twigs. Camouflage techniques. Use mud, leaves, and shadows to blend in. Hit and run strikes. Deliver a quick, devastating attack and vanish before the enemy retaliates. Environmental traps. Setting up traps using vines, rocks, and pits to weaken opponents. Mastering weaponry in the jungle. Unlike city fights, where weapons are controlled, the jungle itself becomes a weapon. Bow staff from bamboo. A lightweight but deadly tool that can be used for striking and defending. Improvised blades, sharpened stones, or crafted wooden spears can turn into lethal weapons. Throwing rocks and jungle projectiles. A well-aimed throw can knock an enemy unconscious or create a crucial distraction. Vine strangulation techniques. Use jungle vines as a natural garrote to silently take down threats. Animal-inspired combat techniques. Martial artists have always taken inspiration from animals, and the jungle is full of predators with deadly survival instincts. Here's how we apply them. The panther's stealth. Move low and silent, attacking with speed and retreating into the darkness. The python's grip. Wrap around an opponent, cutting off their movement and air supply. The eagle's dive. Surprise aerial attacks from higher ground or trees, striking before they even see you. The gorilla's power. Use raw strength for powerful, crushing blows when speed and stealth fail. Survival combat, when all else fails. Sometimes, combat isn't about fighting to win. It's about fighting to survive. Water is a weapon. Lure enemies near deep water and use it to drown or trap them. Fire manipulation. Smoke and fire can blind opponents or force them into open areas. Psychological warfare. Create sounds, use shadows, and manipulate fear to break the enemy's focus before you strike. Escape and evade techniques. When things get too dangerous, knowing when and how to escape is crucial for survival.